good, YouTube? It's your boy, AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now we finally approaching the end of the year. You know, a lot of heat done came out this year, a lot of crazy shoes coming out. Pretty much a lot of crazy shoes already came out, you know. Got the lost and found ones, crazy hype behind those shoes, but then resale started off, you know, up here. Now it's kind of dwindling down. So would y'all consider that, you know, like the biggest flop of the year? Me personally, it's still gonna be, you know, one of my favorite releases of the year, even though resale, you know, isn't as much as people projected it to be because of the amount of pairs that were made. But glad everybody who wanted to get a pair was able to get a pair, you know, for a decent price. Hopefully retail, of course, but if not, you know, resale isn't like too crazy on those. But enough about the lost and found ones, man. I'm here today with y'all, man, with another shoe this year that's kind of like real slept on in my opinion. Not really talked about that much. Kind of was a quiet release as well. Nobody really talked about when these shoes drop. But you know, some of y'all might like them, some of y'all might not, some of y'all probably on the fence about them. But hopefully after this video, the ones who are on the fence, you know, make y'all decision whether y'all want to cop or whether y'all gonna just, you know, let them see what they at. But enough about that. With that being said, that shoe I'm talking about is the Air Jordan 6 Chrome. Y'all see the box, you know what I'm saying? It's a real decent box. If I'm not mistaken, I think the DMP 6s came in the box like this as well. Could be wrong, didn't get that pair, you know, I didn't really care for that pair either. But maybe I probably didn't get a good look at the box though. But yeah, it's like a silver and black, you know, like a real shiny metallic silver all over the upper of the box, as well as on the bottom of the box as well. Y'all can see that. In my opinion, it's a dope box. You know me, I love boxes. I'm always a sucker for a cool little, you know, box concept. Even though this box concept isn't like, you know, the greatest, you know, it's just a silver and black box. But in my opinion, it's still a, you know, pretty little dope box. You know what I'm saying? Here's the size tag right here, so y'all can see that. Y'all can see it's a size 11, my size, of course. But enough about the box, enough about the size tag, man. Let's get into these sneakers, man. So off the bat, you got in my opinion, a real smooth little colorway right here, man. All it is just a all black, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 6. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy on these guys right here, man. Just a regular black Jordan 6. Now me personally, I feel as if this is a pair that can go with almost anything, man. You know, it's just a black Jordan 6 with chrome accents around, you know, around that little wing right here. Chrome 23 on the back of it as well, you know, little black jump, man, if y'all can see that right there. But like I said, man, it's just like a regular Jordan 6, man. All it is just all black, you know what I'm saying, with ice blue sole, and of course, like I said, the chrome, you know, silver accents around the shoe as well. So nothing to, you know, brag about, nothing to like jump up and down, you know, for joy about. Don't think resale for these is gonna go, you know, to no crazy prices. They might stay around the retail, you know, price range, but who knows, man. A lot of times black sneakers like this, so for some strange reason, shoot up in value. Now, it's a possibility that this will do the same thing, but do I see that happening? Me personally, no, I really don't see this shoe, you know, doing no crazy numbers. But once again, though, if you're a fan of a black sneaker, you need a black sneaker in your collection, this is a dope one to have. You know what I'm saying? You can put it on with multiple outfits. Don't really got to think too hard to put these on with something, because it's, once again, an all black sneaker with just chrome accents on it. So with that being said, man, this is a shoe that I'm pretty sure was probably extremely easy to cop, because like I said earlier, wasn't really talked about that much. You didn't really see too many people post about the Chrome 6s, you know, oh, I gotta have these, or a must-have shoe, or like a shoe of the year type of thing. Like, you know, other releases that came, you know, before this, and there are some that are coming after this as well. So I don't know, like I said, hopefully if you didn't like this sneaker, you know, maybe seeing like up close looks on it, maybe it might change your mind on it. You might feel different about it. You might like them now, you know what I'm saying? You might actually be like, you know what, I need me a black shoe, you know, black hats are too expensive. What else? Red 4s, you know, it's a black shoe. You might not want to get that. Canvas 4 is kind of up there as well. So this Chrome 6, like I said, man, price wise is not too crazy. I think it's like around $230 something resale value. Probably even find a certain resale that could probably get you these for retail, honestly, you know what I'm saying? I don't think, you might even still see these sitting on shelves at certain stores. So that being said, it's a possibility that these didn't sell out. I didn't really check to see, you know, any local stores like local Foot Lockers or Champs or stores like that to see if they sold out. So I'm not for sure if they did sell out, but you know, I just don't see these even selling out like that. Like, I do see doing them doing a couple restocks on these because of the fact that, you know, it's a shoe that they probably have multiple pairs of, so they probably won't, you know, sell out as quickly as like shoes from the past, like other sneakers that came out earlier this year. But I don't know, man, me personally, I'm not a major fan of these, but for an all black shoe with like I said, the chrome, you know, silver accents, it's still, you know, it's still a pretty dope shoe in my opinion. It's just not something that I would go crazy for. You know, the next man might want these. You know, me personally, not really a major fan, but hopefully, like I said, man, if y'all watch this video and y'all see something about this sneaker that y'all do like and y'all do want to cop this, hopefully my video kind of persuaded y'all to, you know, want to, you know, put these on with something, you know, get you a nice little fit together, something that can be quick, something you can throw on real fast. It's a black sneaker, you don't got to do too much thinking about the outfit. But that being said, man, like I said earlier, we're approaching the end of the year. A lot of sneakers been coming out. A lot of sneakers are coming out, man, or are approaching the end. Like, I think got the Cherry 11 still on the way. The Chicago 2 is on the way. The Orange Lobster Dunks on the way as well. So still a lot of sneakers that's, you know, in rotation, ready to come out. So that being said, hopefully with this year going by, y'all was able to cop the sneakers y'all did want to cop. If not, you know, hey, hopefully resale didn't, you know, bust you over the head too much if y'all didn't cop for retail. But since we are approaching the end of the year, towards the end of this year, I'm gonna do me a nice little, you know, my top 10 pickups of 2022, because, you know, I did cop a lot this year, and I'm pretty sure if y'all kept up with my channel, you know, since I first started back in, what was it, July, seeing some of the shoes that I picked up. Hopefully, you know, y'all stay tuned for that video to drop too. Got a few more unboxing videos coming before that video does come, so stay tuned for those as well. And with that being said, man, like I always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, man. Y'all helping my numbers out, y'all helping my subscribers out, man. Y'all getting my numbers up, getting close to their 400 subscriber mark, man. So, you know, I've been kind of, you know, slow with the videos, but hey, I'm gonna make sure, like I said, man, no, life has been kind of busy with work and stuff like that, but I'm gonna make sure I keep, you know, December, I try to be as consistent as possible with, you know, with the video rollouts. But with that being said, man, make sure y'all telling a friend, man. Y'all always smashing that like button, smashing that subscribe button, man. You know, that share button, man. Getting my subscribers up, getting my views up. And as always, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning into my videos and getting my views up. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.